Oh my god. So we finally got it painted and the lights put on, and while we were doing that we decided, it looks like it's just perfect for the light bar to fit underneath those lights that we put on. So we put the HIDs on, and the light bar looks like it can go right underneath it, which is very convenient because when we put together the HIDs, it actually shines so bright it needs a shield underneath it so it doesn't shine on the hood, so we don't get blinded by them too. That looks beefy as f***. What do you guys think? I think it looks dope.
Once you're in, I'm in.
I'm in. Spencer's got his marks marked off where he's gonna put it.
That's about right.
Nice.
It comes just over the windowsill, which is kind of what I was looking for.
That way it shields us from the HIDs, huh?
Yeah.
And we get extra light. Eee! I'm excited. Not to mention it looks beefy. We have so many lights on this car now. You would have been so mad. If you just kamikaze straight through that and just...
Woo! Give us light.
Hey, that's dope! Woo! Haha! Hell yeah! Oh, dope! Side view profile. That is so cool.
Well, that's good. It'll give you a little sun visor too.
Right. Time to wire everything up. Just putting the final touches together, making it look nice and clean. As clean as a rat's nest can look.
Hey! Let's see if this thing will eat this giant wiring harness. Probably not.
Nothing ever works the way you want it to.
Especially not for bug owners.
Not for VW owners in general, I think. This is a bitch.
It always is.
It looks like the scuba diver's oxygen cord. I can't wait to see what this baby puts out, like, light-wise. I think it's gonna look really cool. It's gonna give us some really awesome shots in the dark. Hopefully we can do more night runs after this. If they work!
That's the headlights?
What? That's the headlights.
We'll turn them all on just to see.
Ooh, here we go. Boom. Woo! Oh my god, that's bright. Ah! Whether it's stuttering or not. Look, you guys. All that hard work. That's a Volkswagen for you. I'm happy. She puts out so much light, it blinded the camera for a second. Alright, you guys, we're gonna wait for it to get a little bit darker, and then we're gonna go out and test these babies. Stay with us. Our crown is finished. King me. You guys ready? It's getting closer. Get out of the direct path of the light. Jesus, that is... Wow, mama. Wow. Like, yeah, I can see everything now. You can see all the bugs, and in fact... You can see the beams of light too. The camera's picking it up. Damn, these are just super bright.
That's just the HIDs.
Wow.
Alright. Now our headlights.
Damn, those are just so bright.
And now we'll do the light bar.
Whoa. It's like way too bright for the camera to even handle. Yes, he decided to come for a ride. Alright, there you have it, Dusty Crew. You got to come out with us and see how those lights look now that we're all done putting them together with the HIDs and the light bar. The light bar actually shined a little bit on the hood too much, so we're gonna have to make a shield to go on the bottom of that anyways, but that is it for our roof rack. This is pretty much the final setup. We're not putting any more lights on it, at least I don't think so. We've got enough, I think, for now.